Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, compass, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, HD radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.